What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by the legendary 4-State Trucks. That's right, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. And if you're looking for chrome for your truck, whether it be Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, Volvo, you name it, they got it, man. Now, we all know that chrome does not get you home, but they also, believe it or not, sell truck parts for if you're having trouble with your engine or your transmission or just a certain part you may need. They even got hoods, man. You know, whatever you're looking for, bumpers, stacks, breathers, lights, you name it, they got it. All you got to do is go over to their website, 4statetrucks.com. Find what you're looking for. And I'm going to save you some money. When you get to the checkout, use the checkout code provider10. That's right, provider10. You're going to save 10% on whatever it is you pick up over there at their website. And yeah, they got everything that you need over there, man. They got some wonderful cleaning products that I've been having a lot of fun with, keeping Black Dog clean. So yeah, head over to 4-State Trucks at checkout, provider10, save you some money, get what you're looking for, get your truck all nice and clean and chromed out in tip-top shape, and get your truck show ready. So whether you're gonna be turning heads at the truck show or just turning heads on the road, they got it for you over there at 4-State Trucks, man. Go check them out. YouTube, top of the morning, it's your man Get back with another video, back with another vlog, man. Got some real good products that was given to me by our good friends over here at 4-State Trucks, and they, you know, basically looked out for me, pulled up on me, and gave me like a mystery box, mystery bucket, huh?
Oh, you sent me a picture. That's your bucket, man. Did you see what was inside of it?
No, it's a,
all right, here we go.
Just like Remy Rub the Genie.
All right. Official rules.
Okay. Yeah.
Microfiber towels, standard stuff, right?
Okay.
But all of this stuff is our own formulations. It's got our own brand. Vendetta is like our top of the line in-house brand.
Okay.
So you got a sprayer head. That's for this. The detail spray, so like it's clean now.
Right. Wipe down.
Wipe
Yeah.
Glossy. I would recommend, unless you're really careful with this, put the cap back on it.
Right. Preserve it. Okay.
Well, that way it don't leak everywhere, because this gets touched and falls over, but this smells good. Upholstery cleaner, carpet cleaner.
Okay.
Glass cleaner.
Okay.
Which Bandit, I have not smelled this yet. Bandit says it smells amazing.
Really?
Cleans the floor and everything with it. So you're doing a group collab video tomorrow, right? Yeah, sometime once we get everybody all together. Tire shine. Okay. You can use the sprayer on this. I don't recommend it.
Right. Okay.
If you get this on your rims or
some what I believe are some great cleaning products. Pulled up on me in the golf cart. I was truly shocked when he gave me this wonderful, nice looking box, man, filled with some great stuff. So everybody's up early shining up their truck, so I guess we better go ahead and tend to our good buddy Black Dog, man. You know, when you got this black paint, you got to really spend some extra time keeping it clean, because it's just like a magnet to dust and dew and all the things that you don't want on your truck when you at such a wonderful truck show like G-Bats. So this is my first truck show, so I'm up early. I see a lot of people up actually early. I guess that's the thing to do, wake up early, get you all a good rag and a good product, and go ahead and see whose truck is going to be shining the most once that wonderful sun comes up and start beaming down, and everybody's trying to see who's out here gleaming and blinging the most. Let's see what we gonna use first, man. Let's go ahead and wipe down the body. Black Dog first. Oh shit, I put out my rags. They done blessed me with some great. Okay, we got glass cleaner. all by this wonderful company, Vendetta, man, who's sponsoring and putting on this wonderful show here for all these good drivers. carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is cool. I guess I don't have to worry about that because I got that good rubber in there. You know what I mean? I can only imagine though really having to need this if I did get this beautiful truck with carpet in it. Tire shine. Definitely gonna need him out. What we got? Wax polish, metal polish, detail spray. This is what I need because this legendary black is already looking beautiful and gleaming. So we're gonna give us we're gonna give Black Dog a good wipe down, buddy. Got something coming for you, Black Dog. You're gonna be shining like never before. This stuff pulls it right off of there. Makes it look like new paint. Wow, that's awesome right there. I love you more, Black Dog, when I can see that gold in you.
Black Dog, now what in the world is Provider out there wiping on you? I ain't never seen him using any cleaning product whatsoever except for tire shine. And it sure must be some good stuff 'cause it got you growling. And we all know your bark is more vicious than your bite.
Y'all know how it is, guys, when you go get your car, your truck, and whatever ride you in, that's the main touch. Is making sure that rubber is shining like that and not looking dry like that. So up until now I've been using a good product, but they say this stuff here is the best of the best. Just pour it on here, man, sparingly. See what it do. Oh my goodness. Wipes on nice. All right, guys, I have gotten myself extremely dirty, man, wiping down this truck, and it's crazy. I done got Black Dog clean. Now it's time for me to go get cleaned up. They also got these good wipes right here too, but I don't think this is gonna do the job, man. I gotta go get in somebody's shower. But this is something that I'm always buying at freaking Walmart. Wipes. Probably not as strong as these. As a matter of fact, let's get one opened up and see what they about. I need one of those ice cold showers.
Could you please?
Good enough for Black Dog, man. Got the grease off of Black Dog and put some grease on these elbows of mine. Product ain't nothing nice. Crazy up in the shower, have to use the damn truck cleaner, but it is what it is. Don't tell nobody, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you ever need some good product, yeah, got me that right, Vendetta.